If you're building furniture outdoors and it's going to be in an area and then you're using materials that are prone to rot or can become decay and you're leaving them out possibly all year round or they're in damp areas, I do really suggest and recommend that you not use nails and glue, and rather that you simply use screws. And I'll show you why. This is a bench that I built about 3 or 4 years ago, just made from some recycled 2x4s. I never actually expected to last this long, but actually by a good coat of paint. In fact, this is the first time I'm recoating it. And earlier today, this is what it looked like. Very clearly needs to be scraped down and adds another coat. And I've just added now since 1 coat. I'll need 2, maybe 3 coats of paint in total to bring it back to its original state. But I noticed before I started painting, when I was just starting to scrape it, that the arm, this arm here, had a soft spot in the center of it and it was actually a little bit rotten. So simply by removing the screw from the back and underneath, I could replace it with another piece of wood and I'm as good as new. If that had been glued and nailed, that would have been a much more difficult process. If any of those seat slats or the front or anything else have to be replaced, then it's a simpler matter of removing a few screws, and I can again replace those very quickly with just some dimensional 2x4s, which is this built with. Not the most elaborate, fancy or anything else, but it is actually quite a comfortable bench and it's just suited for my fire pit area here. Anyway, just my advice. This is Don. Talk to you later.